Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will get you to create a beautiful sunset silhouette painting using the HIMI watercolors. Let's begin with the wet on wet technique here. Gently wet the entire paper using the clean water. And now start with the sky blue shade at the top of the paper. While it is still wet, add the violet just below the blue and softly blend the two shades together. Also dab some extra violet in the places to create a cloudy texture in your painting. Now add the rose shade under the purple and blend it gently. Finally, at the bottom, I use a cadmium yellow to complete the sunset gradient here. So blend each section lightly to avoid the harsh lines in your painting. Now the background is dry. We will add silhouette using the black color. I added some silhouettes at the bottom. This could be interpreted as a bushes, rocks or a leafy shrub. Then I paint a simple resting hut with a small bench inside. It will be kept very minimal to match the calm vibe of the sunset here. I added some palm leaves gently leaning from the side, and this gives instant tropical or peaceful feeling to that painting. And remember, silhouette does not need to be detailed. They just needed to have a clean edges and strong shapes. That's the beauty of this technique. It's really simple, beginner friendly, and gives a dramatic result to your painting. And when I paint silhouettes, I always imagine myself in that space, maybe sitting on that bench, watching the birds fly by as the sun sets. Art becomes more powerful when you connect with the scene you create. And that's it, a peaceful sunset scene created with just 5 colors: blue, violet, rose, yellow and black. Simple, calm and perfect. Thank you so much.